Thank you for your interest in this property. If this property doesn't interest you, we can show you any property listed with any company. Location. Open floor plan, 3+ bedroom and highly attractive Northeast Brainerd, close to Garfield School and multiple parks, full finished basement, waterproof basement, professionally landscaped, oversized city lot with pond and fountain, original hardwood floors, central air, newer furnace, 2 garages. 1 detached 2-stall that is insulated and heated, and 1 detached that is a single-stall garage, double stall with concrete drive, French drain covered gutter system, concrete patio area and stucco exterior. You will enjoy this home for years to come. Sellers are offering an appliance allowance for buyer to choose their own new appliances. Home inspection has been completed by Ave NE Home Inspection and is available to buyer for review prior to making an offer.